Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will talk about variables and values in JavaScript. So let's talk about variable first. So you can think there are two types of variables. They are mutable and immutable variables. So if you want to declare a mutable variable, you need a keyword let. So I will declare a mutable variable x and assign a value 3 to it. So what mutable mean is that we can change its value. So here we can change the x value to 4. And we can try this out. So we can print out x value. Looks like this, and we print out its new value, and we try to run this code. You can see, so first it prints out 3, it's value 3, right? And it prints out 4, it's the new value of x. So this is the mutable variable. So if you want to declare immutable variable, you need the keyword const. So here I will declare an immutable variable y and assign a value to it. I assign a value 5 to our immutable variable y. So immutable means we cannot change its value. So if we do something like this, there will be an error. We can try to run this code, like to comment this. Okay. Then we run this code. You can see it displays y equals to 6. Here is an error, so type error. So assignment to constant variable, right? So we cannot change the value of an immutable variable. So now you know there are two types of variables. They are mutable and immutable variable. And you know that for mutable variable, it means we can change its value, just like the x, right? And we assign a new value to x. So for immutable variable, we cannot change its value. Like we assign a new value to it, and there is an error. And I think now you should know what is a variable and what is a value. So for the number 3, the number 4, the number 5, they are values, and we can assign a value to a variable, right? So x, y, they are variables. So now we know that a variable can have a type, mutable or immutable, right? And for value, it also can have a type. So value, so the type can be a number, a string, a boolean, or undefined, or known, and it also can be an object and a function. So what does this mean? So for a number, like 4 is the number, right? And we can assign a string to it. We can like do something like this, right? And when we print out x value, we will see what will happen. I will delete this code and okay, let's try it out. You can see the first thing, it prints out x equal to 3, right? And secondly, it prints out hello world. So this is a string. So this means we assign a value to x, and the type of this value is a string. And a values type can be a boolean. So it looks like this, true. And if we print out this, we will see what will happen. You can see x equals to true, right? And it can be the other type, like an object, but object will be another topic. We will keep simple in this video. We won't talk about this. You can print out the X type. So you can print its type here. So console, so log X type. Okay, and here we also will print its type. Now we just copy it. Good, right? So we will run the code, and you can see that. So for X equal to 4, right? And its type is number. So you probably noticed that I told you that a variable have two types, mutable and immutable. So here we just print the type of X where it print out number, not mutable. So mutable and immutable, just like what I said, you can think a variable can have two types, mutable and immutable. So actually this will print out X value type. So the number means the value of X has a type, it's number. So for the second one, so this means the value of X has a type, it's string. For this one, the same, so X has a value. The type of this value is Boolean. So now you know a lot of things. Firstly, we know a variable has a type, mutable and immutable. And for value, it also has a type. So like number, string, Boolean, undefined, null, object, and function. You know that what is a variable and what is a value. You know the difference between them, right? So like for here, so the hello world, this is a value. We assign a value to a variable X. So you can think a variable is a reference for that value. Okay, thanks for watching. And my English is not good, so probably in some place my explanation is not clear. Sorry about that. And let's meet in next video. Peace.